Welcome to Edible ABCs. Hi friends! Today we are learning about the letter J. Let's all say J together out loud. J. Now, let's all draw a J in the air with our fingers. One word we can use to describe food that has a lot of water in it and starts with J is juicy. Can we all say juicy together? Juicy! Today we're going to be talking about juicy pears. Now it's time to learn, how does this food grow? Juicy pears can grow all over the world and grow on trees. Juicy pears are the fruit part of the plant. You can see where juicy pears grow on this map of the United States. Most of the juicy pears we eat grow in the States, which are the color green. We are really lucky that juicy pears grow in Maryland and are ready to pick and eat in August through October. Now it's time to learn, how is this food good for me? This food provides our bodies with fiber. Fiber is important to help our food move through our body. It also helps us feel full so we aren't hungry all the time. This food helps our bodies to feel good and have enough energy to play. Let's all rub our tummy to remind us how fiber helps our body. This food is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps prevent your body from getting sick. It is important to eat this food so your body can stay healthy and you can learn, grow, and play every day. Let's all practice covering our mouth with our arm to protect our bodies from getting sick. This food is a great source of water. We can tell it has a lot of water because it is so juicy. When we eat this, our body gets water from the food. Water is very important for our bodies. It helps our blood and heart. Let's all place our fingers on our necks to feel our hearts beating. Now it's time for you to move your body. Physical activity keeps our whole body healthy. Moving our body makes our bones and muscles strong. Being active pumps blood and oxygen to our brain and the rest of our body. When we are active, we feel happier and learn better. Let's practice a new activity together. One activity you can do that starts with the letter J is jumping jacks. Great job moving your body. Now it's time to learn, how can we buy this food? When shopping for juicy pears, you can find them at the grocery store or the farmer's market. You can also find juicy pears in their canned form. Now it's time to wash our hands. Before touching or eating any food, it's important to wash our hands. Let's all do this by scrubbing our hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. Try singing your favorite song while you wash your hands. We also need to dry our hands really well too, especially before touching any food. If you aren't able to wash your hands with soap and water, you can use a hand wipe to get all of that dirt off you see on your hands. Then, use hand sanitizer to remove the germs. Remember, soap and water is best when it's available. Happy hand washing! Now it's time to learn about trying new foods. If you're a little nervous about trying a new food, try touching it or smelling it first. When you're feeling brave, give it one small little lick or bite. Sometimes you have to try a new food several times before deciding if you like it or not. The most important thing to remember when tasting any food is to not yuck someone's yum. That means it's okay to not like a food and say it's not your favorite, but we don't use words like yuck or ew. Everyone can have a different opinion about a food, and that's okay. You might even change your own mind about a food as you grow older. I hope you get a chance to try a new food today and share your own polite opinion. There are lots of other healthy foods that start with the letter J. You should give these a try too. Can you name each of these foods? Juice. Make sure to choose 100% fruit juice. Jackfruit. Jicama. Thank you for listening today, friends. That's all we have for the letter J in Juicy Pears. See you next time. Hope you had fun with the edible ABCs.